In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to boost productivity with Notion tips, focusing specifically on creating a simple home dashboard. First, it's important to understand why a home dashboard can be beneficial. Essentially, it's your one-stop shop for everything you need throughout the day, bringing together all the key elements you require for effective time management and goal setting in one place. With that in mind, let's dive into creating your own home dashboard. To start, open up Notion and create a new page. Title this page Home. This is going to be your central hub. Now we are going to build sections that will help you streamline your daily workflow. The first section we want to include is Today's Tasks. This will be extremely helpful in keeping track of everything you need to accomplish on a particular day. You can set this up by creating a simple to-do list where you can jot down tasks. As you complete each task, you can check it off, and there's a satisfying feeling that comes with visualizing your progress. You could also set this up with a database, using tags or due dates to categorize and prioritize your tasks effectively. Next, let's include a section for current projects. This is crucial for staying on top of ongoing commitments. This section can be a dedicated database or linked table that connects with other pages in your Notion workspace. It helps you track progress, update statuses, and review what still needs attention. You can include fields for deadlines, project statuses, or team members if you're collaborating with others. Moving on to the calendar section. This is vital for keeping track of appointments, meetings, or deadlines. Notion allows you to integrate a calendar directly into your page where you can view your schedule at a glance. It's a powerful visual way to understand your time commitments and can really help in balancing your workload. You can even sync external calendars to keep everything aligned. The fourth component is Quick Notes. This is where you capture any spur-of-the-moment ideas, reminders, or thoughts you want to revisit later. A simple notes section on your dashboard ensures they're not lost amidst other tasks and projects. You can set this up as a mini text box or a simple note-taking section right on your page, making it easy to jot things down as they come to mind. Finally, we have the Goals section. This is a great space to keep track of both short-term and long-term objectives. Whether it's personal growth, work-related achievements, or lifestyle aspirations, having your goals in view can motivate you throughout the day. You can use checklists, bullet points, or even a database layout for more detailed goal tracking. So there you have it, your very own home dashboard on Notion. By neatly organizing these elements, you're setting yourself up for a smoother, more productive day. Customize these sections as needed to fit your personal workflow. By investing a bit of time into setting up a home dashboard, you're investing in your productivity, helping you to not only manage your tasks better, but also to prioritize and achieve your goals more consistently. Remember, the key is to keep it simple and effective. Stay tuned for more Notion tips that can further enhance how you manage your time and organize your life. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.